Alright, what's going on? Back for another day of backtesting. Just fixing to get right into it. If you haven't seen the market replay and my trade recap this morning, I took an L, but go over and watch that. I recapped the market for this morning, just basically what I saw. Possible entries, things to work on, all that type of stuff. So go check that out. But yeah, we're just going to get right into it today. Let's go ahead and go to the next New York session. Alright, so this is gotta be data. ESRD is trending towards it. Maybe it's not data. This could be like a Trump tweet or something though, so looks like it. Probably just gonna treat it as data, to be honest with you. On the 4 hour, clearly trending bullish, right? We do have this unfilled 4 hour below if we decide to reject, but um, my bias for the day is definitely to this data high. Pretty positive this is data. So do have an unfilled 1 hour below as well, but this is my draw on liquidity. And then if we do push up higher, yeah, this is my draw on liquidity for today. We probably will end up just rejecting right into it, to be honest, off open, but 15-minute right here. So ideally, I'd like to see a rejection into this 15-minute. Perfect. You get a slight inverse right here. Not ideally what I was looking for, but yes, inverses as well. Delivering out of a 15-minute. Should flip bullish. Let this 2-minute close. Yeah. Take this. Hold on. I'm back. Let's get right into it where we left off. So this 2-minute inversion delivering from this 15-minute. Wanting to target these data highs. We'll go break even at this swing high up here. Alright, go break even here. Break even. See if we get a re-entry. Still delivering off this 15-minute. They get an inversion of this. Yeah, this is more so discretionary, but I will still take this. What? Why did my position close out? Bro, this re-entry, I should have just taken this. I was just skipping too far ahead. This re-entry is perfect. This is a perfect entry up to these data highs. We got a quick break-even point. Stops right here. 1 to 6R. Again, just take it break-even at these swing highs. discretionary. I want to see the bodies close. Could leave these equal lows, but I do want to see price continue to come back up. Wow, ain't no way we get edged. Break even. That's just tough. I mean, ES did already take him out. Did already take out the data high. But obviously still very convicted in this. See if we deliver back through this 15 minute. We do. We sweep out this low inside this 15. It is already pretty late in the session, and we'd be longing into a 15-minute gap. So that's tough. Just break even on both of those. Can I go to the next session, please? Did inverse this 4 hour. Looks like we want to come for these lows. But we still have these data highs above that I do want to watch out for. That's also equal highs. Relative equal highs above. I don't know if we want to push much lower. We did inverse that gap. Kind of would like to still be bullish, to be honest. Just with those relative equal lows and stuff being there. Alright, off open, we manipulate, sweep out this buy side. Well, I'm on the 11-minute time frame. Okay, let me go back. Manipulate, sweep out these highs. Begin to get a V-shape inversion. 2 minute is the highest time frame. I want to see this 2 minute close. Get a resweep. Might just be trending bullish, to be honest. If we are, I want to see a 15 minute retracement. But I will short if we get this inversion. Yeah, I will short here. We are inside the 15-minute unfilled. 30-minute unfilled as well. Kind of would just need more conviction in this. Could short down to this unfilled 2 minute or 5 minute. I mean, should kind of just displace lower. Stop loss position's tough here. So I do realistically want my stop above this. Just go for a 1-to-1, go break even at this unfilled 5 minute. Go break even. Yeah, that's all we needed. We just needed to flush through this unfilled 5 minute. But now delivering off this unfilled 5 minute, could see a retracement to the upside here. Mm, 5 minute inversion looks good. It's already 11. Kind of just choppy. Took out data. Looks like we're trending up. We are inside of this 4-hour unfilled. Could see price coming up here. Maybe consequent encroachment of this whole leg. Hold on 1 second. Alright. Yeah, I could see us trending lower to consequent encroachment of this range. We are delivering off this 4-hour fair value gap. I do like this high inside of this 4-hour fair value. Alright, we delivered lower. We swept out this low. Either going to continue bearish or we see a bullish reaction out of this. Alright, we got the 1 minute inversion. This is really all I need. I do like this. I feel like we trend up higher towards these highs. Take out this high inside this unfilled hourly. Just take it break even probably at this high. That is tough. Did he sweep out this high? Alright, price just continued to want him to push lower. I did like that 1 minute inversion. Didn't tap to our break even point. I mean, the overall buy should have been lower, so I don't love that. To be honest, probably should have realized that our bias was bearish. Unfortunately, just not an incredible trade right there. See if we get a retracement up into this 5 minute. Would take this 3 minute. Actually a 4 minute as well. Probably just gonna take the 3-minute close, delivering off this 5-minute. I really do like this. Hold this for 1 to 2 RR. Or we could just target this base level of liquidity down here below. All right, let's see what we got here. I'm back. Let's see. I do like this, just a little continuation model. Just taking the 3-minute close. Wow. I should have waited for the 4-minute. Very, very unfortunate. Should have waited for the 4-minute. I don't know what's going on in my position here. Yeah, 4-minute would have completely rejected. And we would have gotten a pretty clean 30-second long. Oh, I didn't realize we had a 30-minute unfilled above. Price definitely wanted to come displace into this 30-minute. Before giving us a possible move lower. Now this should play out. Yeah. So we just wanted to come fill this 30-minute. Did we get SMT'd anywhere? Slight internal SMT right here. Could have entered in off this displacement candle with this SMT delivering off the 30-minute down to these lows. So that would have been solid. Alright, let's continue moving forward. Some stuff to learn from here. So, alright, what do I see? Delivering into this range. We did tap consequent encroachment of the range. We look like we still want to deliver lower. Did inverse that daily for value gap though. Still delivering off of a 4-hour. Hourly does not look great. Not loving this price action. Kind of just range bound, rejecting from the CE. I mean, I like these highs getting hit. Just kind of see what price does off open. Alright, deliver lower, sweep out that low. One-minute inversion here. Just not really delivering from anything, to be honest. So I don't love this. We did inverse this 5-minute. Do have all this LR. And then a unfilled 15-minute above. I don't love this. I'm just going to tape read it. Yeah, I would have played out, but I just didn't love that idea. Just we weren't delivering off of too much at all. But now it does look like we're bullish. A little bit of a retracement. All right, we opened up this unfilled 15-minute. Now I'd like to see price deliver higher. Out of this range. All right, we have all this LR built up, delivering out of a 15-minute. Three-minute is the highest inversion. We do get an inverse here, delivering out of this 15-minute. I don't like that wick very much, but you can't really fade this setup. Let's make sure there's nothing getting in our way. We are inside of a 5-minute or a 15-minute. I like this wick being hit. Wow. Man, I am taking L after L. I mean, I liked the 3-minute. I didn't like the close on it. We did have all this LR built up, but yeah, I mean, I don't know. I did like the setup, but now this might be a good opportunity for longs here. We swept out this low. Just not the greatest PA, to be honest. Now that the 5-minute's been inversed, you could look for something here. Delivery off that 5 minutes. It's 11 a.m. Well, taking a lot of losses today. That's fine. Alright, we just opened up a new week opening gap. Alright. 4 hour is trending bullish. Like to see these highs come get taken out. They should be protected though. There is a possibility we just want to come fill this new week opening gap immediately. Did sweep out this liquidity right here. Let's see if we want to deliver higher. I mean, this 5-minute inversion off open was pretty clean. Just got a sweep of this internal low. 1 minute. Unfilled 5-minute. This could be a good mech model. I did not mean to play this candle. I like this little mech model. Let's take it quick break even at this high. Nice. Mech model played out. Now we delivered from this 5-minute. See if we want to reverse it down lower. Do get a 2-minute. Delivering from the 5-minute inside this new week opening gap. Could target this low, but I'm just going to tape read this. Yeah. Pushed up higher. Any SMTs? No SMTs. Slight 1-minute inversion. I will take this though. It's a little continuation. Let's go break even here. Alright, swept up. Delivering out of this. Oh, we did just open up a 15-minute unfilled though. Yeah, no, I'm not going to take this. Did I just get stopped out? Alright, I think I have to replay everything I did. See if we come deliver into this 15. We do. Oh, highest time frame here is a 5-minute. Get the inverse, get the pullback. Would have been break even at this point. Sweep out this high. SMTs. And then the death candles. Whoops. Yeah, not too much I like there. We just did get that little mech model, but almost filled the new week opening gap. No, we did fill it. Yes, did not fill it though. We did inverse this hourly gap. Let's see this intermediate low get taken out. And we also have this intermediate high above. Alright, we displace higher. Sweep out this intermediate high. Open up a 15-minute. I like this. Another mech model. Just want to see his flush from here, and wow. And there we go. So we wanted to come get a resweep of these highs. That is unfortunate. I like the inverse. That's very unfortunate. Not trading very well today. The day opening gap that we're delivering off of. You can see it's kind of just wanting to push lower down to this low. But we did just inverse this 4-hour gap, delivering off of this 4-hour. Could be bullish here. I missed my entry. Right, 5-minute inversion. Clearly trending lower. Nothing to really get in our way. I do like this 15-minute right here. Intermediate low. Highest time frame inversion's a 1 minute. Oh my god. I'm trading like absolute shit. Close it out. I'm up $0. What is going on? I'm not up this amount of money. I don't know what's going on. Still not too much going on. Clearly still displacing lower. Like to see us come check out this low. What the fuck just happened? I'm not even in New York. Alright, well, we took out that low. Looks like we're trending down towards this low. Delivering out of a 15-minute. I'd like to see us come get a sweep of this internal high. Nice. Swept up that internal high. Let's see if we reject. Well, react off his 15-minute, create a 5-minute, create a huge gap. And we come down and sweep it. I will take this. We are S&P'd at this low. I'd like to see a 5-minute retracement. We get the 5-minute retracement. No entries. Alright, delivering off this 4-hour, trending higher. Might want to come fill this new day opening gap. Take out this high up here. We also have this high up here I'd like to see get swept. Delivering from an hourly. I don't mind this. Delivery from this 15-minute. No fair value gaps. If we get a retracement, I will take something. $15-minute unfilled I'd like to see get taken, and nothing. Trade of the day was definitely this 30-second. That would have been solid. Another new day opening gap. We have PMI. Clearly are trending bullish. Up towards these highs at least. Respecting out of that 15. $10 a.m. wick. delivering out of a 15, 3-minute inversion towards this 10 a.m. wick. Slide SMT. Not the greatest PA, but take it break even here. Yeah. Alright, sorry, I'm back. But that played out. Delivery from a 15-minute, right? We got a 3-minute inversion targeting this 10 a.m. high. So that's pretty perfect. Alright, now we're delivering off this new day opening gap. Trending bullish. Like to see this high can get taken out. See if you want to come manipulate down here. We do have this hourly gap that I'm keeping my eye on. Alright, got a little bit of a manipulation off open. Still not delivering from any higher time frame. Alright, we took out that high. Now we're inside of a 1 hour. Could see a slight retracement. See, this could be a good position to start taking shorts. Unless we just want to keep pushing up higher. Yeah, it seems like this hourly did inverse, so now we're looking much higher. Probably gonna want to come get a rebalance at the range at some point. Nothing today, just straight bullish. Which is fine. Off open, what did I miss? I guess we were delivering out of this 5-minute. Or no, we opened up right here. So nothing really. Not too much, not too much. Nothing on the 30-second. I guess you could have entered off this candle right here, showing that we were going to continue bullish right off that 30-second retracement. So still delivering higher. Probably going to want to come rebalance this range at some point. We do have this unfilled hourly that I'd like to see price reject off of before displacing lower. We are reacting off of a 4 hour though. And then we do have this unfilled 4 hour as well. Alright, well, we delivered off that hourly. Never mind. Come and sweep it out. 15 minutes. Two-minute inversion. Still delivering out of this 15-minute. Still delivering out of this hourly. Five-minute 9:30 wick. Price could want to come in and take out this low right here. Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty confident in shorts here. Kind of didn't need to let this 5-minute close. That's fine. Market order. Stops above this high. Then I do want to come target this low. What? Bro, I didn't put my... Okay. I forgot to move my stop. That is my bad. You guys saw my stop's up here. Displace lower. At this point, probably scale to break even. Break even. Base hit would have just been nice. 1-to-1 would have 1-to-1 would have just been fine. Just need to take that into account. I'm kind of going for high RR right now, which doesn't make a lot of sense. So just kind of need to start taking these base hits. That's crazy. Came up, continued to deliver off the hourly. Inverse to 15, but we're still delivering off the hourly. Maybe you could have taken something like this, but I mean, I probably wouldn't have. And then, yeah, you would have gotten break even. It wouldn't even hit full TP. Not a great day so far. Not trading very well at all. Weak opening gap's already been filled. Trending higher towards this high. One hour intermediate low. Do have room for these 15 minutes to come get tapped into right here. Alright, we deliver into the 15-minute. Still think we want to come see this low this high get taken out. That's tough. We were inside of a 5-minute, so I didn't really want to take longs out of that. Could have taken this though, off this inversion. Probably continue pushing up higher. We are inside of a huge 15-minute. Could reject out of here. Bro, I just get no opportunities. I mean, I guess on this 1-minute order block that we flushed through, could have taken that. But it's like, we're just inside of a 5-minute. I can't even really take too much of that. Four-hour, looking bearish, to be honest. We are still in a bullish trend, though. Do have a higher time frame SMC. I'd like to come see price tap into this unfilled 4-hour. See if this should be protected. Alright, delivering from a 15. Alright, we slipped up that high inside that hourly. Inside of a 5-minute. This high should be protected, but no, not if we just want to keep continuing bullish. Yeah, not too much. I'm not trading well at all today. I'm gonna go ahead and end it right there. Just not trading well today. Took a lot of losses. Yeah, just not incredible. Not great. I feel like I gotta end it on a win though. I do just need to simplify everything. Cause I kind of do. I just get in my own head sometimes, but we're clearly trending lower. See if we want to trade into consequent encroachment with this 15-minute. Immediate death candle. Nah, I don't really want to take this. Alright, well, would have played out. Now just give me a continuation. Boom, pull back into the 5-minute. What's our highest time frame? 1-minute inversion. Whoops. Bank. Not much to come tap into besides that. Probably would have gone. Probably go break even at that swing low. Take a break even here. Bang. Solid trade. See, this is what it's all about. Simplifying everything, knowing which direction we're going. You get the 5-minute pullback, you get the 1-minute inversion, and that's how it's done. See if we can end it off on a hot note. Four hours clearly trending bullish now. After taking out that low and tapping into that fair value gap. We clearly want to come take out this high. President Trump's speech kind of just fucked us completely with this. It's tough. Obviously we do want to come take out that high, but at the same time, we're very overextended now and in a premium, so delivery out of that 15-minute. Not really much. Yeah, it looks like we do want to come lower. We are SMC'd at these lows now. I would take something like this, but I think we'll probably push down. SMT'd here. Price respects off that 1-minute. This is a 930 wick, so eventually I think we want to pull up. Get the 1 minute inversion there. Still SMC'd at this low. I like this, targeting this 930 wick. Go break even here. And there we go. 930 wick gets taken out. Beautiful. Beautiful. See, it's just all about simplifying things up. I get caught up sometimes, and it really does a disservice to me. But now we've taken out this high. Looks like our next draw on liquidity is this high up here. We're delivering from this 4 hour. Delivering from this 1 hour. Not really any wicks. So not really any manipulation. Did just get a sweep of this buy side. Could see us pushing lower here. We are inside of a 15-minute right now. Thirty-second close. Delivering out of a 3-minute. 30-second close. We should just pull down to this 930 draw on liquidity. I'm gonna tape read this. Yeah, would have played out. Now we're clearly trending bearish. I could see price wanting to come tap into this unfilled 15. Yes, we do get a 1 minute V-shaped inversion, delivering out of the 15-minute. Clearly rejecting. Plus the SMT. I'm not too convicted in this. Probably just take this break even right about here, to be honest. Should play out. Jinxed myself. Now we're SMTs. Ooh, 2 minute rejects hard. We get a sweep of this low. what is this draw that I had up here? The hourly wick. It's also a wick inside of a 4-hour. It's 10 a.m. What is this other candle gonna open up with? This isn't gonna play out. Wow, I got stop hunted hard. Do we eventually take it out? And eventually we do take it out. Wow, I got stop hunted. If I would have just had it below the distribution leg. Got greedy. Yeah, I got stop hunted bad. Swept out that high, delivering off this 4-hour, inside of this 4-hour. Just a matter of where this 4-hour candle opens up to. But I do like us coming to sweep out this high. God, my chair is so squeaky. Alright. All this accumulation. See if we can catch a PO3 here. Five-minute manipulates into the hourly. Beautiful 30-second close. But I'm going to fade that. We did sweep out this low. So we were SMT'd. Seems like we're kind of just ranging. I don't really want to take anything here. And we're about to have 10 a.m. news. Yeah, there's just no clear direction of price today. I mean, the RR would be terrible on this, but like, could take something like this. This is a huge type of FOMO trade, though. Yeah, I'm not surprised that didn't play out. I'm not taking that loss. That's not going on my statistic. I'd never take anything like that. That is a FOMO trade and a half right there. Did inverse a BPR though, so kind of surprised. Looks like we never got the 2-minute close though. And there you get it. Didn't take out any of these lows. Yeah, that's just not anything I would probably really ever take. Clearly want to take out this low inside this 4 hour. See if we want to come tap into this unfilled 15. Now this is questionable because we do have a 5-minute. This is a 9:30 wick. And we do want to come take out this low, but it's just a matter of getting a proper retracement before we do. Alright, well, looks like we're going to come take out this 9:30 wick. Not really any entry there that I would have liked. We still are inside of this 5-minute. Maybe get a slight retracement. Nah, we just came for it all. Now we come tap into this 15-minute. Well, this would have been a good long delivering off of this 4 hour sweep liquidity. V-shaped inversion. And I'm pretty bearish, to be honest. It's just like this should be protected, but if we want to come lower, then don't really want to take this. Five-minute retracement. 30-second inversion. To like this 30 second to the upside. Break even. SMT, and there you go. Now it plays out. I would have taken it, obviously, from this one. This is the inversion leg. After we get a resweep, probably just go up these highs, target this. Bang. Oh, you could have held this for forever. I mean, we were delivering off that 15-minute. You could have held this all the way to these lows down here for a 127 RR. Yeah, that would have been a beauty. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and hop off. One, two, three, four, five. 5 losses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 50% win rate on the day. We ended off March very strong, but about a 50% win rate on the day. Alright, that's going to be all for me. I'll be back tomorrow for another market recap and a trading day. So, I'll see you.